All right, guys, it's day number 2 for our word work. I hope your first day went well and there were no problems, but if there were, just know we're going to work through them together. Okay, remember you guys are copying me. Come some, more tor, sheep keep, cow how, pen men. Okay, our rhyming words. Next is our beginning sound, and then I'll read the word. You do the beginning sound, and you read the word. Okay. Meadow. K, cow. P, pear. Looks. He. Very good. Okay, we're going to blend our words together right now. Ow, now. Ilk, milk. Eep, sheep. Orn, corn. On, run. Very good. Okay, one of our favorites. We're going to punch it out. Do the final sounds. Coin. Is. Little. Books. Dive. Very good. Okay, now we're going to do the chop it. Get your choppers ready. Not, present it first. Ought. For, or. Wake, ache. Have, have. Give, iv. Great job today, guys. Okay, we're going to add some together. We're going to start with et today, and we're going to add p at the beginning to make pet. Et, we're going to add w at the beginning to make wet. Good job. Start with et, add s at the beginning to make set. Good job. We have et, add at the beginning to make met. Good job. Last one, et, we have ul at the beginning to make let. Good job. Now we're going to take one away. We have the word dog without d. What's left? Og. Good. We have the word fog without f. What's left? Og. Good job. We have the word log without ul. What's left? Og. Good job. We have the word frog without fur. What's left? Og. We have the word hog without h. What's left? Og. Very good. Okay, time for our nursery rhyme. Remember, I'll say a line, and then you repeat it, and at the end, I'll see if you can say it all together by yourself. Little boy blue, come blow your horn. The sheep's in the meadow. The cow's in the corn. Okay, I'm going to try to say it all together first, and then I'll give time for you. Little boy blue, come blow your horn. The sheep's in the meadow, the cow's in the corn. Your turn. See if you can say it. Great job. I know you got it. All right, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Keep up the hard work.